Okay. Right. All right. All right. Hello, everyone. How you doing now? You're welcome to the final, the grand final. First, I want to say a big thank you to everyone that has been consistent during the course of this training. Okay. Still waiting for others to join. Still waiting for others to join. Okay. 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 All right. If you can hear me very, very well, I want you to type, I can hear you. Okay. All right. So without not wasting much of a time, we just dive into today's training. They were able to move from um knowing how to purchase a hosting and domain. Yesterday, we actually I showed you on TrueHost platform, right? So it's almost the same thing with other hosting platform. All right, and how to purchase your hosting and domain. right? The second thing I actually take you all through yesterday also is your cPanel. Some certain things you can do your cPanel. All right. So it's from your cPanel you set up your WordPress, right? So you just navigate into Softaculous app installer. So once you click on Softaculous app installer, it's going to take you down to where you see various kind of CMS and that you can use to build a website. But our own area of consideration is WordPress. So from that place, you're going to see WordPress options. So you're going to click on it, where it's going to take you down to where you're going to install WordPress properly, right? So you enter your information there, and from that place, you click on install, and it's going to load. It's going to install WordPress for you. And from that place, it's going to give you two. It's going to generate two links for you, right, automatically, which is your front end link and your back end link. The front end link is where customer will be seeing, your client will be seeing, and the back end link is where it's your own site where you build your website. So it's not visible to it shouldn't be visible to the users. It should be for the owner. So the backend is where you're going to install your theme, right? So we talk about theme, we talk about post, we talk about settings, right? We talk about permalinks. All right. So in your back end is where you're going to install your theme, and after that, once you install your theme, maybe Astra, maybe Cadence, maybe Royal Elemental Kit, any theme you want to make use of. All right, once you install it, some of the theme has templates you can make use of it, just like the way I showed you yesterday. And after installing your theme, it's going to prompt you to install some plugins, and sometimes some of the plugins, once you install the template and the theme, some of the plugins is also installed automatically, right? And after that, you choose the template you want to make use of, right? If it's an e-commerce website you want to build, and the template you saw there is something that resonates with you, something you can make use of, right? And if peradventure is a business website you want to build, right? Under that Royal Elemental Kit, there are different kind of templates, right? Dry cleaning, e-commerce, business, company, organization website, any kind of website you want to build, right? So if that template resonates with you, you can make use of that template directly. And if peradventure you like the structure of the template, right? So you can choose it too, right? That's things that you need to check out before making use of a template. Despite the fact that templates can do like 50% work for you, you still need to check out that template. You don't just install anyhow template, right? Number one thing you need to check is the structure of that template. Does it resonate with what you want to build, right? That's number one. Number two is some of the functionalities of that template. Does it resonate with what you really want to do? So you need to define all these things before going for or installing a template for yourself, right? And for the customization part, right, you need to look into the brand color. Does the brand color resonate with what you really want to work with? And if it doesn't resonate with what you want to do, you can change that color by yourself, right? You can change the color. I showed you yesterday how you can start to change the color of that template. And all right, and some plugins yesterday. I also mentioned that there's a page builder plugin which is Elementor that helps you to customize or edit your website. All right. So, and Elementor does not work on all theme. No, there's some things that does not work with Elementor, and that's another thing you need to know about WordPress. Despite the fact that Elementor is a page builder, number one, and Elementor you can also you can use it to customize websites. It does not work on all things. So there's some things that before you install a theme, you need to check the specification of that theme. There's some things that does not support Elementor. So Elementor plugin does not work on all themes. So get this now. So that you won't go and install a theme and trying to install Elementor to edit the website, and it's not, you are not able to do that. There are different kind of page builder that you can work with. We have Elementor, and Elementor has the things that Elementor has some things that it can really work on perfectly well. So we have Elementor, we have Gutenberg. They call it block editor, Gutenberg. And the third one is we have AI too now. AI, they are started integrating AI too, and I think we have Divi 2. We have different kind of page builder, all right. But the most required one that people make use of currently now is Elementor, whereas they also still make use of Block Editor too. Yes, you can design wonderful websites using Block Editor page builder, right? So, but people make use of more, professional make use more of Elementor. And if private you have been saying web design, job description, you might have come across maybe you an expert in Elementor, how to make use of Elementor. If you are good on Elementor, you are a preferred candidate for that job. All right. So those are the things that I showed you yesterday, step by step. So today I will be showing you some functionalities of plugins. I mentioned that yesterday, and also I will also be taking you through client acquisition. So that's major two things I'll be showing you today. The SEO part, I'm not sure we won't be able to cover SEO because SEO it's a little bit broad. So I'll be narrowing down those two right in this class today. Okay, so let me quickly log in. Let me quickly log into our WordPress website. Okay. So if you have any question, you can drop your question. Please drop your question so that I can answer it. Any question? Just give me a few minutes. I'm trying to log into a WordPress backend. All right, so I'll be sharing my screen now. I'll be sharing my screen with you to show you some of the functionalities of plugins. Okay, so sharing my screen now. Let me share the entire screen. All right, can you see my screen now? Okay, so this is the back end of the website we worked on yesterday. I will try to customize. All right, so this is it here. All right. So now the first thing I want to show you here is that on this same website you can customize a WhatsApp plugin that when customer or user come to your website, they can easily click on the WhatsApp icon and it will lead them directly to your DM. All right. So these are the functionalities of the plugin. I just want to show you how powerful plugin is on your website. So you need to know plugins that resonate with the kind of website you've built. All right. And sometimes clients request for it. So you can just come to add plugin, right? So you can type WhatsApp. Also type WhatsApp, it's going to load. We have a lot of WhatsApp plugin here that you can make use of. All right, so we have this is one here, floating chat widgets. We have click to chat whole theme. All right, we have social chat, click to chat app button. We have a lot of them here, a lot. So you can just choose anyone. This is a Chatway live chat. You can set up live chat on your website too. On some companies' websites, you see a live chat there where clients or users can chat them up easily. All right, so we'll be choosing one. Let's make use of this join chat. So you click on install. So you click on activate. All right. So once you install and activate, come down. It's going to load. It's going to take you down to this place, which is installed plugins. These are the plugins that we've installed on this website. All right. So the next thing we want to do, this is the join chat here. We click on settings. So under the settings, it's going to load. This is the setting now. All right. So hey, Crystal Lab, let's set up join chats in less than 2 minutes. All right. So let me hide this. You click on okay. Let's start. Very very simple. Please tell me your WhatsApp number. All right. So I'm going to be using mine as an example: 70-666-85 and 157. Done. Let's continue. All right. Add the text for the first message users send via WhatsApp. I want to leave it as for this default here. All right. So let me just leave it for the default here. I love this default here. Hi. The site, this site in brackets here means the name of the website. I need more info about and title and URL. So let's just leave it like this. Continue. You can edit yours. You can edit yours, but I want to leave it like this. So let me just say hi. Let's know how we can help you. Define a call to action message to prompt users to interact. Let me change this message to okay, let's leave it like that. Continue with this chart, this test. All right, finally, do you want us to send you tips, improve conversion with join chat? No, I don't want it. Oh, yes. Okay. Let me just drop this. All right, so click on accept. All right. Okay, keep me posted. Perfect. We have just sent an email to your account. Visit members to confirm your subscription. No. Great. Join chat is up and running, right? Go to join chat settings. All right. So this is the phone number I dropped, right? This is the message I dropped the other time. So hi, let's know how we can help you. But let me just change it to hello, Crystal Lab. Can I know more about your product and services? All right, so first off, this is just a testing message here. So we're going to choose this icon. All right. Want it to be at the left hand side. Let's position at the left hand side of the on the website. We don't want it to be delayed. Let's put it at 0. Let's put -1. Let's leave it as 1 second. Mobile only, no. Desktop only, no. So this is the call to action. All right, so open chat, green, and I think that's all. So let's save changes. All right, so let's refresh now. Now on this website, there is no WhatsApp icon here. So let's refresh. All right, can you see the WhatsApp icon here now? Can you see hello, welcome to Crystal Lab? Can we help you? All right. So once you click on open chat, it's going to lead them, it's going to lead your users or your client down to your DM. So it's going to load, and can you see? So, hello, Crystal Lab. Can I know more about your product and service? Right. Continue to chat. It's going to load the WhatsApp and open WhatsApp on my laptop, but I don't want to go to that place. So that is the power of plugins. These are the things that plugins can do for you. All right. So for I don't really know how fast I can run through SEO. It's not just SEO alone. There are other plugins that you can also make use of, right? Powerful plugins depend like that resonates with what you want to do. You don't just install anyhow plugin. Now, if you want your website to load faster, on a normal ground, this website loads faster. Let me refresh it and see for you to see. It loads faster, right? But if you want it to load more faster, right, there's a plugin that helps your website to load faster. Peradventure you're working, or maybe a client actually reach out to you and said, "Oh, my website loads slowly," right? There's a plugin that can help that website to load faster. It's called Lightspeed Cache. Lightspeed. This is the plugin here, Lightspeed Cache. So you install and activate. So this is the logo of the Lightspeed Cache here, and what you want to do is just purge all. Just click on purge all. It's going to work on purge all the caches on the website and makes your website to load faster. So it's because I just put the caches now. Let's do it again. You see, it's not up to how many seconds? It's not up to 2 seconds now. Yes, let me say just say 2 seconds that the website is loading. I'm refreshing it now. Can you see? It loads faster. So these are things that plugin can do for you on your website. All right. So for search engine optimization, there's a plugin that will help you to start, right? We have one is Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO, right? This is the plugin here. They have the free version, the free and the premium, right? The premium has a lot of features. I mean, a lot of features. The premium can help you to, it's also integrated with AI. Now you can see advanced SEO with real-time guidance and built-in AI. So there's AI, they are integrating AI into these plugins now that will help your work to be more efficient. You can use AI to write a blog, search engine like SEO article. I would make that blog or article to rank on Google. So you can make use of this. And there's another one again. It's called AI SEO, all in one SEO, meaning all in one SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. Powerful SEO plugin to boost SEO rankings and increase traffic. All right, so you can also make use of this one too. So very simple. All you just need to do is to install now. After installing, it's going to run through. It's going to take you through the activation process. All right, so just follow the process. Let's get started. All right, it's going to ask you which category best describe your website. So let's say it's not an online store, it's not a news channel, small offline business. All right, online store. Blog is for articles, online store is for e-commerce, corporation, probably like company and stuff like that. And if not there, you can click on order and type. So I just want to go for corporation. So homepage site. So this is how it's going to display on search engine. So home Crystal Lab, right? And homepage meta description. All right, we have not this meta description. We have not really worked on it. So your meta description should not be more than 160 words. 160 words. I mean character. So this is not the best meta description you can give your website. Ensure that your meta description contains the name of your website, the name of your business, right? What you do, your location, where you serve, right? And any other thing, but everything should not be more than 160 character. So let me just say inspiring personal growth. I don't know. Crystal Lab Palace. Let's say home of gadgets. Home of gadgets. Fuel your life with smarter nutrition based. I don't know. Like your life with smarter nutrition, balance eating. This is not say good. But let's just continue. You can prompt ChatGPT to help you do all these things. Save and continue. All right. If you put in a well meta description there, if you put meta description, the well like SEO meta description there, optimized meta description there, it will help your ranking on Google. All right. So additional site information. Right. We have site title. We have the tagline. The tagline is your meta description. All the tagline in your setting. So your phone number, input your phone number, input your logo. All these things are very, very necessary, right? And if you have social media handles for your company or your business, input it here. It will also enhance your search engine optimization. After that, you click on save and continue. All right. So which SEO features do you want to enable? Right. So optimize search appearance. Get all the right tools to make sure your website shows up in Google search. Sitemaps. Sitemaps are a list of all your content that search engines use when they crawl your website. All right. So these are the things, these are the features we want it to have on our website. We have broken link checker, right? So now for the premium image SEO, you can do SEO for your image. All right. Globally control the title, alt text, description, and file name for attached pages and images that are embedded in your content. All right. So, but this is only available in the premium version. So we can't make use of it because we don't have the premium version of the AI, the all-in-one SEO we want to make use of, right? So these are the features on the premium image SEO, author SEO. We have local SEO. Tell Google about your business for display as a knowledge graph, card, or business carousel. Right? We have video sitemap. We have news sitemap. We have smart redirects. All right. We have link assistant. These are the features on the premium. We have index now, and index now support to instantly notify search engines when your content has changed. All right. So this one is very, very important because this one works with Google. All right. There's another platform, it's called Google Analytics. No, it works with Google. This one works with Google. So once you have these features, immediately any changes you're working on your website, you're making on your website, it will be informing Google. If Google is the major search engine you're making use of, that there's a changes on your website, and it will help you to index it automatically. All right, we have REST API and advanced rich snippets and schema markup. Okay, these are the features on this premium that we don't have access to. Email report. Now we can have the email report. It's free. So save and continue. Okay, so for the search appearance, when you post anything, this is how it's going to be showing on search engine, especially if anybody search for Crystal Lab, this will be showing automatically. This is how it's going to show. So you can edit it, you can still change it if you really want. All right. So my site is live, it's not under construction. So you check live sites. Do you have multiple author? No. Redirect attachment pages, enable email report, yes. Save, continue. So just give it a little time. It's going to save and take us to the final step. So that is how you set up the. That's not all. This is just you activating, installing, and activating all you want SEO on your on your WordPress website. This is just stage one. Now, after installing and activate, installing and activating this SEO, it's going to now take you to under the AI SEO. You're going to see AI SEO widget in your dashboard. All right, so it's going to open you up to different kind of um, features that you can make use of to enhance the visibility of your website. So this one is just stage one. That's it. Now that one now is the stage two. So once you are done with that, the stage three now is Google Search Console. I mentioned Google Analytics the right time. No, it's Google Search Console. Now, Google Search Console, let me use this. Google Search Console helps you to track your website, your traffic website, not just that. And also, it helps you to fix, it will notify you if there's any page on your website that is having issue, like that is not making it to Google. That's another thing. And also, Google Search Console also helps you to index your pages, your website page on Google. For example, now probably you just worked on About Us page and it's not showing on Google. Google Search Console will help you to index it on Google. So this is Google Search Console. So this is more or less like stage three of you making your website visible on search engines. This is loading. And sometimes once you are done with this one, there's tendency that 50%, let me use the word 50%, that your website might be ranking on Google, right? But not every part of your website will be ranking, especially maybe you are working on blog or post or your pages. The only thing that will be showing is your home page. So, but if you know that every of your website page is it's vital, like it can convert clients or your prospects, you need to index all the pages on Google. All right, so let's do something. I don't know the reason why it's taking time. It shouldn't take time like this. All right, so let's see if I continue. Skip this test. So now, at the end of you setting up your Google Search Console, it will prompt you now. It will prompt you to connect to Google Search Console, and this is Google Search Console here. It will connect. It will prompt you to connect with Google Search Console because there's a lot of functionalities. That is the last part of your visibility, making your website visible on Google, and you have a lot of things you can do in Google Search Console in Google Search Console. All right. So, but we won't be doing that. That's the reason why I said that we won't be covering search engine optimization because it's a little bit broad and wide. All right. So now this is just Google Search Console for you. All right. It helps you optimize your content with search analytics. That's number one. Get your content on Google. That's one of the things that Google Search Console also help you to do. Get alerts on issues and fix your site. Another thing that Google Search Console helps you with. Understand how Google Search sees your page. This is another one again. So there's a lot that Google Search Console can help you with. All right. So now you can also monetize your website through a plugin, but it's not automatic. It's not automatic. Let me just show you. It's called SiteKit, Google SiteKit. Let me let's do something here. Crystal Lab. So it's not showing. You see the domain is not showing because we have not do SEO for the website. So if for instance I'm working on a on a client's website now, Araf, we see how the process is. And once you are done with the plugin part, you move down to Google Search Console that will now make your website to be showing on Google. All right. Okay, so there's a plugin I want to show you. This one is for people that especially for bloggers. Yes, for bloggers. If your website is based on information, you are dishing out information every time, and people are really they're interested in what you are publishing on your website. You can install um, this plugin, SiteKit. Let's check Google SiteKit. What's the name of this plugin? Yes, this is it. SiteKit by Google. So also under this plugin, you can also track the analytics of your website, meaning you can track the traffic. You can see maybe people are viewing your website through mobile view or through desktop view. A lot of functionalities of this plugin too that you can easily track. This plugin can help you to track your website traffic, Search Console, AdSense. Now the AdSense part is where you can also track your website speed too. The AdSense part is where you can monetize your website. All right. So if you install this plugin, activate it. I'm just showing now. What I'm doing now is just showing you the power of plugin, things that plugins can do for you easily on your website. So now, before you build any kind of website, you need to do a little bit research to know the plugins that you can install on that website that will make that website more powerful and to be able to do 50 people's job at the same time. Yes, your website is capable of doing that. Now, you can start setup, click on start setup, then it's going to take you down to this place. Now, connect Google Analytics as part of your setup. Okay, and so it's going to prompt me to sign in with Google. So, but I'm not going to sign in. So these are the things. I'm not going to sign in with this. I'm not going to sign in with my Gmail. So I'm just showing some of the plugins that you can work with. You can work with if you want to monetize. Now, there's something called Google AdSense. Once your website reach 6 months or 1 year plus, you can monetize your website. But based on that, you have good traffic coming down to your website. You have people viewing your website constantly. Now, you can apply for Google AdSense. So once you apply for Google AdSense, Google is going to review your website. Once Google will review your website and Google see that your website is up to standard, they are going to give you a code. And that code, all you just need to do is to embed it on your website. And there will now be an ads, Google ads that will be displaying on your website. That's on website you have peradventure probably um, visit, right? Visited, and you are seeing ads popping up on their own without you not like going for them. They will just pop up, and sometimes you mistakenly click on it. Now, if your users mistakenly click on those ads on your website, there is something called click per rate. Is it CPM or CPR? I'm trying to remember now. But there's a commission per every click that that company or Google will be paying you. Some is per the click, some is um, per activation. If they activate and probably deposit, you'll be having a commission, and some is per click. So you can also monetize your website through using this plugin. All right, so that's that about these features, what the websites become more powerful. All right, so What else I want to show you? All right. So the client acquisition parties. Now, the client acquisition part, you can make use of LinkedIn. Let me take you down to. Now you can make use of LinkedIn. LinkedIn, there are jobs opportunity on LinkedIn, and I think we have one of the best coach on with us, Coach D. Yeah, Coach D. I've not been posting consistently currently, so that's that for now. And I think this month I've not really been posting like that. I think I've just posted. I can't really count, but since is it May now? March, June, July, January, February, March, April, May. I think May. I think May. Yeah, May. I stopped posting since May, so I actually resumed back this August, and just this August, from let me say after two posts, I got a message. I think there's a message that I did a storytelling message. Um, I mean storytelling post, and I got a message from someone. I think August. It should be August. Should have been it's from. Let me see. Is it? It's not Ella Manuel. And let me just show you something. It should be Joy. I think the person's name is Joy. Let me still remember. Okay. Let me search from this Gabriela. Okay, I think it's Gabriela. Let me check. All right, so this is it here. You can see that this person messaged me August 12th. All right, I believe it's some of the posts that I actually did this August. All right, and this person reached out to me. I'm reaching out on behalf of AVGA Digital Hub, owned by Social Pressing. Could you please provide us with the cost for your service? Please note that our classes are mostly pre-recorded rather than live. All right. So this is somebody here. I'm just showing you just for client acquisition purpose. All right. And I reached out back to the person. I, asked for some certain things. So he replied back to me, and I sent out a proposed outline to that person. So these are the things that you can accomplish um, using your LinkedIn. Using LinkedIn, all right. We have others too. We have the Fiverr. I don't really make use of Fiverr like that. Fiverr is there. We have Upwork. This is Fiverr here. We have Upwork too. That once you sign up, all on right gig on Fiverr. Once you sign up on Fiverr, and that gig should talk about what the kind of site you are building, right? So we have, for example, now you can say that you can build a real estate website, so dollar, because they charge in dollar currency on Fiverr. All right. So I think Fiverr will give you access to 5 gigs. You can write up to 5 gigs or maybe 7 gigs on Fiverr. So that place you can just, and there's some gigs you can tell them your plans, your packages. Maybe for the basic, you charge them $100. For for premium, you can charge them maybe $1,000 based on what you think that you can charge your client. So we have Fiverr, we have freelancer, we have Upwork. This is freelancer here too, and we have Upwork. Upwork, I think you just need to send out message using your connect. Upwork. So this is Upwork here. So just sign up with them. You're gonna have your connect, and that connect, ensure that you send it to your prospects, people that really need your services, so that you can get hired from that place. All right. So let me stop sharing. Okay, so I don't know, probably you have any question. Let me know if you have any question. Oh, justified. All right, I'm just seeing your message now. It's conflict with video editing class. Oh, so sorry, so sorry, so sorry. All right. So if you have any question, please let me know now. And let me ask, how has been the practical part at your own side? Have you been able to install a theme and start customizing your website? Justified. Okay, so in the absence of no questions, since there's no question that we want to ask, all right, so we'll call it a day today. And I want to say a big thank you to the organizers of these skill acquisition training, all right, and to everyone that joined, participated in this training. All right, so the group will still be will still be open for any question, for any guidance, right? Pending the time that it will be um provincial closed down. So if you have any question or probably you are having issues while designing your website, you can just drop it on the WhatsApp group. I will attend to it on time. All right. So thank you very much. See ya in the WhatsApp group. Bye.